Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon chocolate cupcake. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cute cartoon cupcake, we're going to begin right here in the middle of our paper. So let's make a nice line that comes across here. So we'll just begin by making a line that comes across. Now on each side, let's make a line that comes down, and I'm going to make them come in just a little bit. So starting here, we'll draw a little line that comes down, and over here we'll want to do the same thing, so we'll just come in just a little bit. Now I want to connect these, but I'm going to connect them with a curved line. So we're just going to make a little bit of a curved line that connects these. Now we want to make our frosting on our cupcake. So to make our frosting, I'm going to start here, and let's make a big line that's going to curve out. And then over here, let's make another really big line, and I'm going to make this one just a little bit taller. Now we want to draw a line. It's going to come down, and then it's going to come back up to here. So I'm going to curve this. We're going to come down, and we're going to bring it up to here. Now starting here, I'm going to add another curved line. And this one we're going to kind of do the same thing. We're going to bring it up, we're going to come down, and connect it to here. Now at the top here, we're going to start here. Let's draw a little line that's just going to curve in. And starting here, I'm going to make a little line that comes up to a point, and then it's going to come down. Now, right inside of here, we want to make a cute little cupcake face. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to draw a circle for an eye. We want to leave some space, and we'll make another circle for an eye over here. Starting up here, I'm going to add a little curved line and then another one here. And we'll do the same thing, a little curved line and then another one here for the eyes. Then you just want to color in the middle part here. Now, starting here, we want to make a little mouth. So what I'm going to do is we'll just draw a little line that comes across. And we'll draw a nice little smiley face shape right inside of here. Then we'll add a little curved line for the tongue, and I'm going to color this part in for the mouth. Now there's lots of things you can add onto your little cute cupcake. You can do different things. You could put a little heart up here. I'm just going to go and draw a little line that's just going to curve up and down, and another one's going to curve up and down for like a little heart. But there's lots of things. You can add sprinkles, all sorts of different things. This is going to be a little chocolate cupcake, so I'm going to color this with some nice browns up here to make it look really chocolatey. And then I might add a few little sprinkles on here at the end. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.